Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here going to run through the trade with you on this 6th day of March 2026. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room today. So we look for our favorite indicator, which is our strong candle indicator. We do have a brick wall up here, so we would not have taken this one long. So if the one long fails, the one going in the opposite direction is usually going to go very well. And it closed beyond the brick wall. So we're going to look for a push retrace off of that. A stunning signal to the short side. And here we go. This is how it all went down today. I look at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 120 and 140 ticks long. So we'll use our 20, 50, and 100 tick target. And we will de-risk after 20s and go from there. So if this does push up a little bit, we can put our entry point on the body of the candle, but right now we're just going to go outside the range. Plenty of activity today, so it shouldn't be an issue. We can just go underneath the current candle. Sure, why not? Save us 10 ticks either way. But there wasn't much of a tail. Another indication that we're probably going to go very well. As soon as we get picked up, we'll speed it up just to make sure all of our targets get picked up, and they didn't. There we go. Now they're all picked up. First thing we do is put our stop where it belongs. And you'll see when our first target gets hit, we will go ahead and move that stop all the way down. Now, if it goes back and takes us out at break even, we have the option of putting on a new trade. But that went very, very quickly. That was regular market speed, boys and girls. And that trade took about 30 seconds to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 30 seconds, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.